So in this video, we'll talk about top 10 best stock market books for beginners. So stock market books can act as a learning pillar for a lot of traders, especially the ones that are at the beginner level and need some sort of helping hand. This is where such books can come handy and, if read seriously, can make a huge difference in the overall journey of a trader. At the same time, by reading these books regularly, you are heading towards making smart investment-based trades consistently. Books, stock market books, investment learning books, and whatnot. It can go on and on and on. What is left most of the time is a confused beginner level trader. There are so many stock market books written that it becomes super difficult for people, especially beginners, who are looking to get their basics right amidst all the chaos. In this review, I'm going to list down a mix of top 10 stock market books. That is in no particular order, and with few of them being stock market classics, while others include some latest books that have managed to make a mark in quick time. By way of the fact that learning about investing or trading in the stock market is not easy. By reading, you may be able to build your basics and fundamentals correctly, and by time you will start getting the hang of things. So the first book is Everything You Wanted to Know About Stock Market Investing. So if you find difficulty in picking the right stocks and you don't have an idea about the factors which may help you in picking the right stock choice, then this best stock market book is the most recommended material for you. It will help you out for understanding the concept right from the 0 points. After reading the book, you'll feel confident in tracking the market and selecting the stocks on your own. This investing book also lets you aware of the issues which every investor often interfaces while investing. It is a comprehensive data study about simple analytic tools and support that is provided to you in a very simple language. Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits. This is also a well-recommended oldest book which is still evergreen to update yourself and predict best share to invest for long term. This book is written by Philip Fisher, an author of Times of Ben Graham, and this share market book is containing useful information about the stocks which are growing in nature and the strategies also to grow your wealth aggressively when they are holding for a long time. The important chapters are the what to buy, where to buy, and when to sell. It is divided into 3 parts. The first part contains 15 points to look for in common stock. The second part contains the dimensions of conservative investments, and the third part contains the knowledge for judging the market and building an investment philosophy. The next book is The Little Book That Beats the Market. This book contains many magical points to beat the stock market and earn the maximum profits. The author has prescribed some formulas. 2 main of them are earning yield and return on capital. They yield maximum profits to the investors on bargain prices of the stocks. If you follow these formulas, then you will surely gain amazing results. As the name of the book, it is a composition of material covered in very fewer pages of just 176 pages. And this trading book was published in the year 2005 by the author Joel Greenblatt. How to avoid loss and earn consistently in the stock market. Prasenjit Paul has tried to convey some important strategies in the stock market book to acquire regular and consistent returns from the market. The manner for picking the plans and method to do the investment, all the factors have been described by the author. The author has tried to make the conversation in the book in a very simple way so that the readers can easily understand the terms. It is advised to invest in the market only after reading this book on share market. The next is One Up on the Wall Street. The author of One Up on the Wall Street belongs to America and is a famous successful fund manager who has proven himself in the world of mutual fund market by establishing a record of providing 30% average returns on his portfolio for a period of 13 years. This particular book explains the basic concepts about the stock market and also the tips to build money in the market. Thus, it is suitable for those who are just beginners in the stock market. If you have a long view of investing in the market, you have the responsibility to pick the right stocks for you. Peter Lynch has described the approach for picking the right stocks in his best investment book. This would enable you to get better returns on your investment pots. The book about investing is also containing 6 different types of stocks to which a kind of approach is required to follow by the interesting individuals, and that approach are explained by Peter here. The type of stocks include slow growers or sluggard, the stalwarts, the fast growers, the cyclical, the turnarounds, and the asset plays. The next book is The Intelligent Investor. This is the one amongst the oldest books on investing equities, but highly recommended to the readers for gaining the main concepts of earning more from the stock market. This investor book is written by the guru of the famous investor Warren Buffett. The name of the guru is Benjamin Graham. While reading this top book, you will come to know about the approaches for earning slowly but safely and also aggressively from the stock market. You'll come to know about the basic concepts too. But you will enjoy reading this best book for stock market. It will feel you like you are reading some story of 1930s. This book, through its material, will shield the investors from substantial errors and also teaches them side by side for how to develop long-term strategies. Fundamental analysis for investors. Whenever you need to invest in any stock company, it is required that you know about the company. You have to gain the financial position and performance potential of the company, and this analysis is a kind of skill in itself. This does not come just like that. This best book to read for beginners is written to guide you on such skills. After reading this book, you will come to know about the factors and the strategies that will help you to know about the company and its potential capacity to return handsome returns. Mr. Raghu Patel has written the best investment book for a beginner. He has also explained the way how you will find the inconsistency in financial reports, how you can judge the company's management and its products. The Warren Buffett Way. This book is containing strategies that you can apply for yourself in your portfolio. The way of investing in Warren's style can be deeply understood through his book on trading. Hagstrom has written this book mentioning all of the successful aspects which Warren used to follow while investing. The winning stories of Warren Buffett have also been described here, which will motivate you and inspire you to take investment decisions on the winning grounds. The good thing about this best book for stock market beginners is that the author has not used fault words or ambiguous statements anywhere. He has detailed, very cut-to-cut information in the book, which has eased the understanding level of the reader. Stocks to Riches, Insight on Investor Behavior. It is the explosion of truths about the stock market and the myths and the misconceptions which generally roll over in the minds of people. The plus point of the best investment book for beginners is that it is written in a very simple language and that is understood by the readers. This book has been written by Parag Parikh. It is suitable for those readers who are just the beginners of the stock market. The beginners have very much tendency to make mistakes while understanding things and doing investments. This best book for investing in the stock market will tell them their common mistakes, which they commonly make during the initial stage. It will tell them how to rectify the errors and how to pick the right stocks for you as per your requirements. This book is written in such a manner that even a layman or a 5th grade can understand. How to make money in stocks. This best book, Investing Stock Market, has been written by the author O'Neill. The author has written the tips and the steps of investing which he has gained by his personal experience in the stock market. It has described 7 steps of happy investing to grab the maximum profits. These 7 steps are named as CanSlim method of investing. It guides you with some strategies to hold your patience for getting the profits or when to withdraw your money when they are not making good in the market. The price charts of the winning stocks from past century have been listed out at the beginning of this book on beginner investing. You'll come to know about the mutual funds and ETFs also. So these are some of the stock market books that have been used and recommended based on our experience and user feedback. You will have to work hard, get the understanding on a regular basis, and by time you'll surely become much better in picking trades for yourself. But make sure you are patient enough and don't rush into your trades without understanding the market dynamics. You can visit our website stockquantum.com for more information. Thank you for watching.